Hi guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you how to fix the problem with Samsung Galaxy 71. This you can see no light, but device is working, no light in the display. So how can you fix this problem? So now you have to press this power button and the volume minus button together for 10 seconds. See, and restart your phone now. Before it was hang, no display, just a vibration and call coming, but I can't see anything in the display. So I press restart, press the power button and volume minus button together. Let's take restart and it will be work. I hope so. You can see, so restart, and now is starting phone, and this is my phone. And you can see everything is working very well. Samsung A series phone always is like this, hang. A71, A51, A50, A70, A30, A10, A10s, A30, 30s is all A series. Samsung phone is always hang. If hang, just press the power button and volume minus button together, and you can see it is take restart and then working perfectly. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video.